friends. Tonight on All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
Sisters, it has been 29 years since we have last returned.
Oh, we are getting better at this.
And it is All Hallows Eve, our favorite time of year.
Oh, but Winnie, remember what happened on our last Halloween?
We turned to dust. Do not remind me.
Sorry, Winnie.
And that is why we have returned, to celebrate Halloween and throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. But we will need some help.
Oh, Sarah.
Oh, I was thinking the same thing, dear sister. Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of magic. Here in my garden of magic. Here you go,
Well done, Sister Sarah. I knew I kept you around for a reason. Now, let's get this party started. We will need the spell for the Hocus Pocus party potion. That's right, sisters. Hand me the spell.
What spell?
What spell? The spell I asked you to hold on to give to me at a time like this.
It's here. Somewhere. Would it be?
Come on.
We can't find it, Winnie.
Why have I been cursed with such sisters?
Perhaps some chocolate will cheer you up.
What is this?
Chocolate, dark chocolate, the only candy I like.
No, this.
Oh, it's the spell!
Oh, is it? And what is it doing back around Halloween chocolate?
I don't know.
Oh, we've lost enough time as it is. Sisters, to the culprits. Pretty. What is the first ingredient, Sarah?
Sinister shadow.
Sinister shadow.
As dark as midnight and as mysterious as the unknown.
Winnie, sinister shadow.
Hello, ladies.
There's a man lurking in the shadows, Winnie. And who are you?
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man.
Shadow Man.
Now I hear y'all are in need of some sinister shadow.
Maybe.
Well, you're in luck because, ladies, I can deliver.
And what makes you think we need your help, Shadow Man?
Don't disrespect me, little lady.
Lady? So...
Don't you derogate or deride. You're in my world now, not your world. And I got friends on the other side.
He's got friends on the other side. Perhaps he knows Mother.
Sit down at my table. Put your mind at ease. If you relax, it will enable me to do anything I please. I can read your future. I can change it around some too. I look deep into your heart and soul. You got a soul, don't you? Make your wildest dreams come true. I got voodoo, I got things I ain't even tried. And I got friends on the other side.
He's got friends on the other side.
The cards will tell.
Tell me.
The past, the present, and the future as well. The cards. Just take 3.
We'll take these.
Take a little trip into your future with me. Shake my hand. Come on, girls. Won't you shake a poor sinner's hand?
Why we go talk?
Yeah. Transformation Central! Transmogrification Central! Can you feel it? You're changing, all right. I hope you're satisfied. But if you wait, don't blame me. You can blame my friends on the other side.
Devotion is coming together. Thank you, Dr. Faust.
I like him.
Focus! Ready? Yeah. What is the next dastardly ingredient?
Ferris Mares.
Ferris Mares. What is that? Some kind of horse?
Oh, wait, there was chocolate smudged over the word.
There's chocolate smudged over the word. Give me that.
Winnie, do we need to hold a calming circle?
I am cold.
Thou art not being honest with thyself, huh? Take my hand.
Oh, you fools. There is no time. The ingredient. Read me the ingredient.
Fine. Nefarious nightmares. As terrifying as the shadows on the moon at night, filling dreams to the brim with fright. Come in!
Well, what have we here?
What? I might ask the same thing of you. What are you?
What? I'm just little old Oogie Boogie is all. And you know, the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
Nefarious nightmare.
Yes.
the stuff of your worst nightmares.
Well, we don't have nightmares. We cause nightmares.
You're joking. You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. No matter how she tries. She's ancient. She's ugly. I don't know which is worse. I might just split a seed now. If I don't die laughing first.
Why did you say that? He doesn't smell
Boogie Boogie said there's trouble close at hand. You better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you aren't shaking, there's something that's wrong. 'Cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song. Well, if I'm feeling antsy and there's nothing much to do, I might just cook a special batch of steak and spider stew. And don't you know the one thing that would make it work so nice? A roly-poly sadness is to add a little spice. So, You're joking. I can't believe my ears. When someone shot this sister it's funny. I'm laughing. You really are too much. And now, with your permission, I'm going to do my stuff.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to do the best I can. Nightmares.
Well, just. Well, you see, I think he scared us and he made our nightmares true, and then you cried. I know I cried.
I like it.
Oh, enough, we get it. Thank you, Mr.
Okay. Winnie, can we keep him around?
Sisters, it's working. My Hocus Pocus party potion is working. Quick, read me that last ingredient.
Yeah. Faithful friends. Faithful friends. Faithful
Let
friends.
me see that short. Frightful friends, you add power to the potion. After all, a party's only as good as the villains you invite. What is this?
It's actually a really nice sentiment if you think about it.
You fools, we don't have any friends.
Oh, but Winnie, we're friends.
No, we're sisters. I have to like you.
Oh.
This may be the end.
Oh, no, Winnie, no.
I just wanted to throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. Goodbye, cruel.
Bye. Goodbye.
Another party to which I wasn't invited.
Magnificent. A great one. If we thought you would have come, we would have invited you for sure.
We are not worthy.
Maleficent! She's greener than I thought. And who does your horse?
Silence.
I'll consider it but an oversight then.
Perhaps you can help us with our Hocus Pocus party potion so that we may throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen.
Perhaps.
We were wondering, Your Excellency, if you could help with the last ingredient.
And that would be...
Faithful friends. Faithful friends.
Lore and legend are full of villainous fiends.
Yeah.
I suppose for such an occasion, I could conjure a few.
Oh, I know he would say eye to eye.
Listen well, all of you. If it is frightful friends that you request, each incantation calls forth a guest. Come now, O Queen, by power and right, bring poison apples that give us a fright.
Poison apple.
From the underworld's ungodly domain, we call forth its ruler of death and disdain.
This eye.
Come and inspire with devious plots, a desire for birds all covered in spots.
Dolphin.
Impress us, O pirate, from a faraway land. Strike fear in our hearts with a hook or a hand.
Ticking clock.
We invite and compel here a slithering snake with a sorcerer's power to give but not take. Enter, good lady, by thee we are graced. Though manners be proper, they are but two-faced.
Golden key. Yes. I have never seen so many frightful friends in one place.
Oh, is this what it feels like to be popular?
Yes! The potion is almost complete. We are just missing one last thing. The hair of an innocent.